Thank you for watching. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Opera Classics. Today I am at North Weald Airfield, a meet organised by Steve of Steve's Breakfast Clubs. This is the, I don't want to say best meet ever, but it's kind of up there. He's done an absolutely amazing job here. So this is a memorial meet today, and there is just the turnout. I can't tell you. So what I would say, first of all, if you join Steve of Steve's Breakfast Club Facebook group, Instagram, you'll get a heads up about all these meets. Yesterday I was at the Cozy Cup meet in Billericay, which is a pre-90s meet, but he will basically, if something's interesting, you can attend that meet. So this is just going to be a brief walk around of what's here so far today, although there is, as we speak, lots and lots of cars, other cars coming. So today is relatively unusual here because there is just a massive Porsche contingent here. I'm going to walk the Porsche line, which is a pretty long line, and it's just so great to see them all lined up together. So there's obviously, you can see there's modern, nearly new Porsches. There's, as we get further down the line, earlier I walked it, there's some, real sort of classic Porsches. It is just such an incredible thing to see, and what a beautiful day as well. So I'm just going to walk around. I'm not going to be chit-chatting all the way through this. I'm going to lay some music over this now. So yeah, look, I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed, if you could please subscribe, that'd be amazing. And yeah, look, I hope you enjoy the cars as much as I do. Thank you. Wow. So look, that was just a really quick overview of what was here. I didn't intentionally miss everything, but I didn't really want to get in everyone's way either. So look, that's a brief overview of what's here. I'm going to do some more videos, load up some more videos about this meet, because this is just like unbelievable. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed already, if you could do that, that'd be amazing. I will see you soon. Keep safe, happy motoring. Thank you.